Welcome back to the Stoic Tube. There's an undeniable pull, an invisible tension that seems to exist between Sigma males and women, especially those who are emotionally intelligent, ambitious, or craving something deeper than the usual surface-level charm. It's not loud, it's not flashy, but it's magnetic. This hidden chemistry doesn't always make sense on paper, yet it plays out in real life again and again. So what exactly fuels this mysterious attraction? Let's break down the silent, potent chemistry between Sigma males and women, and why it's unlike anything else. 1. The allure of the unknown. Sigma males don't chase attention. They don't overshare. They don't conform to societal expectations. This mystery is irresistible to many women. While most men try hard to impress, the Sigma stands in quiet confidence. He's unpredictable. He doesn't reveal his cards easily. This naturally triggers curiosity. Who is he? What's his story? Why is he so composed when everyone else is chasing validation? That mystery becomes a challenge. And we all know, women don't forget a man who makes them wonder. 2. Independence meets. Independence. High-value women, those who are self-aware and emotionally intelligent, don't want a clingy partner. They want someone who respects their space, understands boundaries, and doesn't need constant reassurance. That's where the Sigma male stands out. His independence isn't a game. It's his way of life. He doesn't seek approval. He doesn't depend on others for his self-worth. When women meet a man who isn't trying to possess them, control them, or fix them, it feels refreshing. It's chemistry based on freedom, not neediness. 3. Emotional detachment with depth. Here's the paradox. Sigma males often appear emotionally detached, yet they possess deep emotional intelligence. They're not cold, they're controlled. They observe, they analyze. They feel, but they don't react impulsively. This balance creates an intense dynamic. Women sense that behind that calm exterior lies a storm of emotions, calculated, matured, and restrained. That emotional discipline creates respect, and where there is respect, attraction naturally follows. 4. Nonverbal dominance. A Sigma male doesn't dominate a room with words. He does it with presence. His body language, eye contact, and stillness communicate volumes. And guess what? Women pick up on those cues faster than words. That subtle power, his ability to stay grounded, calm, and composed, is more attractive than any cheesy pickup line. He doesn't talk about what he can do. He just is it. That nonverbal energy, that's raw chemistry in its purest form. 5. He challenges without competing. Unlike alpha males, Sigmas don't compete for the spotlight. They're not threatened by a strong woman. In fact, they admire her strength, but they don't flatter or coddle her. They challenge her intellectually, emotionally, spiritually. They make her reflect, think deeper, and question things. And that kind of challenge is rare. It creates a bond that's more intense than simple attraction. Because now, it's not just physical, it's mental, it's energetic. 6. He doesn't need her, he chooses her. This is where Sigma males separate themselves from the rest. They don't operate from desperation, they don't chase, they choose. That shift in energy is powerful. When a woman feels that a man is whole on his own, but still chooses her, it elevates the connection. It feels sacred, intentional, strong. And this is where deep chemistry begins. Because love without need is the most attractive force of all. 7. Silence that speaks volumes. Sigma males are comfortable in silence. They don't rush to fill every moment with chatter. They let conversations breathe. They let moments unfold naturally. And within that silence, women often find clarity, comfort, and depth. It's not awkward, It's intimate, because when two people can exist in silence and still feel connected, that's chemistry on a whole new level. 8. The protective yet non-possessive aura. There's a fine line between being protective and being possessive. Sigma males walk this line with grace. They will stand up for someone they care about. They will protect but never control. This makes women feel safe, not owned. And that subtle security, it fosters trust, attraction, and long-term emotional chemistry. Conclusion. The chemistry between Sigma males and women isn't loud. It doesn't scream for attention. It whispers. It lingers. It's felt in the tension, the space, the depth, and the restraint. And in a world full of noise and performance, this quiet intensity becomes unforgettable. So if you're a Sigma male watching this, don't doubt your path. Your silence, your independence, your emotional control. These are not weaknesses. They're the very qualities that spark real, lasting chemistry. And if you're a woman drawn to this energy, now you know why. It's not just in your head. It's real, it's primal, it's the hidden chemistry of the Sigma.